Welcome back, everybody. We have a day. It has snowed and snowed the past few days, and it has been ridiculous getting around. Even now that the Subaru's back, Subaru's been sliding around, mostly on purpose, sometimes on accident. I am currently washing the mats right now because they are god-awful. And we are going to go work on the Datsun. We have those LED, sorry, I'm looking over here. I need to be looking over here at you guys. We have the LED, we have for like the fourth time. We've got the LED lights for the dash that we're gonna go install. We've got that steering hub in the quick release. Would like to wait till I have a steering wheel to put those on, but if we end up doing it tonight, we end up doing it tonight, and I'm not worried about it. Update on the Porsche Lego kit. It's all put together. If you look in here, if I can open it one-handed, we have got, and I gotta work on that because that piece keeps moving around. We've got the roof in there. Not that you guys really care, but if you did, it's all done, put together. Even the engine compartment opens up. Pretty cool that somebody put all that together and took the time to do that. So I'm gonna finish up with the Subaru, cleaning the carpets. I'm gonna go clean what's underneath the floor mats, the actual carpets, and then we are going to head up to a New Year's Eve party we got tonight, and then we're gonna go work on the Datsun.
Well,
this is fun.
this is fun.
This isn't awful. So we are on our way to that New Year's Eve party I was talking about earlier, and towards where the Datsun's at her parents' house. But we got a little bit of a storm brewing. That's beyond brewing. It's brewed.
Just brewed.
This is usually a 65. It's in the middle of a canyon. And I'm going 30.
Yeah, it's a little rough, not gonna lie. It's through a canyon, very not fun.
So we'll go down this hill right here, and then there's one really big climb. That's the only thing I'm worried about. I think she'll be fine. As long as we stay inside the tracks of others, then we'll be alright.
Well, you guys, we have made it through the canyon. Austin is filling up gas now at a gas station that is oddly extremely cheaper than it is at any other place. So we're just getting gas, but we made it through, and it got a little sketchy there. Snow blew up over the mountain and like came into us, so it was like causing a bunch of like snowdrift, so we couldn't see like anything in front of us. It went from seeing the headlights in front of us to the headlights not existing anymore. So they're all good, and Austin's feeling very happy about the inside of the car being clean. Now he's just cleaning off the headlights and stuff. So yep, he just cleaned out the car today. I don't know if he told you guys about that, but yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. Got through the canyon all safe.
So we got our drift lube out and spraying the ground. Okay, let's correct. It doesn't like the gas when I'm like full locked.
Go to the back parking lot, I'm telling you.
The back parking lot?
Yeah.
Is that not where the cop was going?
How y'all doing back there? Very good.
Very good.
Gang gang. Gang gang. Okay, go straight right.
Go straight?
Yep, straight now.
Through where?
Just go straight that way. Just go straight, right?
Right
into
over
the,
the-
right over the curb. You got it. I believe in you.
All-wheel drive, baby.
Baby. And
Bing
then you see
bong.
that gate right there?
Yeah.
Go through it.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Right here, I'm sure.
Okay.
It's gonna be slippery, so be careful.
What do you mean it's gonna be slippery? Are you sure?
Isn't that kind of the point? No one's there. You have to do it. in
There's
this parking
probably a
lot, too.
reason.
This parking lot has no curbs. Curbs. What's the fun in that?
I need something to drift around.
Check it out. There's totally lines of people doing this already. Like right there.
Oh, look at that. Magic.
Magic.
Ain't nothing but a thing. Yeah, we're gripping up too much now.
Alright, then go straight out. That way.
What way? This
Left.
way? The way the buses go?
Yep, and then go right after the gate. It's snowing inside the crack. I got you. You can see the snow.
Alright, I want to do a transition.
Oh, did you want me to like?
No. I'm just saying that's what it looked like. You can hold it out the window.
Like this? Is this what you want?
Sure, you can face it at the rear tires if you like. Rear tire. Let's turn around. Run into space.
I can't tell if it's at the rear tire.
Can't tell.
Ah, no. What am I going to? Oh shit. Ah, it's so cold. For the views.
No, I don't want your shoes all wet again. Look at here.
I don't want you to get cold. I just don't want your wet shoes.
I don't want the car to get all dirty again right after I cleaned it. Alright, how can I exit?
Hey y'all, we're pulling up.
Pulling up to a red light.
Pulling up to the red light. We can't even go straight. We have to turn left. Oh, it's green. Go!
I'm trying.
Go, boobaroo!
We're unintentionally drifting through the intersection, but I'm very much succeeding.
Wow, I'm so glad you were so skilled in the ways of drifting.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, babe.
Way to really boost my confidence there.
You deserve it.
Do I?
You do.
Why are you so close to my face? Why don't you back it up a bit?
Because that takes... Then I have to be over here and I'll hit my head, that's why.
I don't think people want to be zoomed in on my chin, though.
They weren't. At this stoplight, turn right.
Thanks, Siri.
You're welcome.
As much trouble as this piece of shit gives me, I sure love it. Oh, hey. How's it going, everybody?
It was on the other side.
I know, but I tapped that too.
Probably right where that is.
No, they were already heard.
Oh, wonder who did that.
Not me.
Mm-hmm.
I really didn't.
Sure.
Yeah. She's Jerry. I've never tapped anything drifting before, and I may have slightly gotten the curve on the way out of here, so I just have to make sure everything goes. Right door. What? That, like, cover?
Yeah.
Exactly what I just said. It's a cover.
You motherfucker, you couldn't just say it's a cover.
Oh wow, it like auto adjusts.
Did you ask them how to turn on the heat?
Oh, I forgot.
You did.
Call Justice. Get her out here. She's supposed to be helping me. Why don't you talk to the camera or something? What are we doing today?
I know we're changing the dash lights, but that's about it. And maybe
What's
the
in the
steering
box?
wheel. I don't know what's in the box.
So I spent all night charging this thing for it to get 21% battery.
I don't think it was plugged in for all of the boxes.
Yeah, it
Oh, well that's crappy.
I didn't unplug it, but
I unplugged it this morning. Well, I might have to plug it back in. So GoPro died. So we gotta use the phone
it
again.
already died?
Yeah, because it didn't charge last night.
Well, it was at 20% though. Why did it just fucking
It
give
shuts
up?
itself off. You're gonna have to hit the steering wheel. Come on, hit it. Don't let it hit you in the face though when you pull it off. I've done that.
Hold up. Let me scoot this shit back. Now I could feel like I could actually drive this.
Is it loose at all?
No. Are you sure it's just that center thing?
Uh-huh. You see? It's moving.
Well, it's turning. It's not.
Well, the steering wheel itself is shifting. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Turn that off, right?
Yep. But I can't get a truck. So, finally got that steering wheel off. About 3 minutes of playing with it, rocking it back and forth. Let me think. I believe the inner circle is going to be the one we're using. So, we'll line it up with that line. If it fits.
Did you line it up?
Well, we got a bit of issue. A bit of an issue. The new hub does not fit. It's supposed to fit. Website says it fits, and it most definitely does not. Well, guys, we got the lights working. Let me turn the flash off so you can actually see them. So these are them. The tack was a little bit of a pain in the butt. I'll include some pictures on how I ended up having to covering the camera. How I ended up having to wire those up, and I'll put those right here. What are you doing, babe? Now that we got the dash lights going.
Now that we got the dash lights going,
Yep.
we put on this so we can have the release steering wheel.
The quick release.
Quick release steering.
So we put on a hub adapter.
Is that what that's called?
Yep.
Hub adapter.
Yep, that's what that is.
You put in.
Turn those lights on real quick. Yep. All
Lawoosh.
still working.
Hello.
There's this big truck in the way. So
we just need a steering wheel for the Datsun, and the lights are all in. We need a nice dash cover. We need a dash cover for the Datsun. Some nice paint. Hopefully we will get to that soon. But as you can see, there's lots of cars in this garage, and it's very cold outside. So, yeah, that's all from me.
well, everyone, thanks for watching. The last two videos have kind of been all over the place. Hopefully you learned something. I don't know. Hopefully it was at least
enjoyed
entertaining.
watching it.
Yeah. So I will catch you next time. And with more Datsun stuff, probably.
See ya.